Okay, we are at 13315 Alcott Circle in Broomfield. Today is September 19, 2024 at 3:57 p.m. We're checking this main sewer line after to do a spot repair and install a double sweep cleanout. Here's the double sweep cleanout. Here's the house. Okay, let's check the first axis. This one runs towards the inside the house. Okay, there's the transition. SDR plastic to clay. Looks good. Okay, there's a transition clay pipe to cast iron at 31 feet. There's the cast iron. Looks pretty decent. Okay, now let's check out the second cleanout. This one runs towards the city top connection. Okay, there's a transition. Okay, there's the main city top connection. Looks good. Alright, thank you for watching.